Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first vlog in our Disney/cruise travel series. Today is finally the day that we are leaving to go on our cruise into Walt Disney World. So right now we are getting packed up, finishing up little odds and ends before we have to go to the airport.
Good morning, good morning.
We are leaving here around 7 to get down to meet up with Brandon's dad around 9 to go to the airport for like 11, and then we don't fly out until 1. So this is actually going to be a really long day, and I don't know if I'm going to vlog a ton, and I don't know if this is going to be its own vlog, so depending on how you're watching it is how I edited it, but we will have to wait and see if I have enough content to do a vlog for just this travel day, because honestly, like, we're just flying to Florida, and it's gonna be kind of boring. But tonight, once we get to Miami, and I think we're getting there around 7, we are going to check into the hotel that we're staying at and probably get something to eat. So I might check in like once or twice while we're at our layover later today, and then probably not again until Miami tonight. So might be a short vlog, but that's okay. So this is the main suitcase, and we've got our carry-on up there, and then we've got Brandon's backpack here, and we've packed my bag because we don't really need to right now. And then there are just odds and ends all over the table, but yeah, this ended up being pretty good. I don't think our toiletries are not in here yet. They're hanging in the bathroom.
Hi, Dodo. Are you gonna be such a good girl while we're away?
Okay, so we're gonna go now and probably check back in a little bit, maybe once we get to the airport and we're like situated.
Yeah, we just gotta finish putting stuff in the bag and put it in the car now.
Oh my god. It's already starting. We will see you guys in a little bit. We are waiting for Brandon's dad to come and meet up with us, and we're at his work right now, and he should be getting here any minute. And then we are going to be heading to Boston to get on our 1 o'clock flight.
Yeah, 1 o'clock departure flight with Delta.
And right now there's all these things going on with the airplanes because of the crash in Ethiopia. So we're really hoping nothing gets delayed or changed, because I guess our flight's already changed once. So fingers crossed we don't have any other issues, but
yeah,
this would happen the day before we have to leave, but it's fine.
Of course.
So, yeah, we're gonna go now and head to Boston.
Oh, hello.
We are at Boston, Logan.
Waiting to board.
Mm-hmm.
Took us 20 minutes to get through security. So we got here 2 hours early, 2.5 hours early actually, because traveling took us less time than normal too. And it took us 20 minutes to get through security. So we're just waiting.
Our plane's not even here yet.
It's just empty.
Also, when we switch at LaGuardia, we don't have seats yet.
Yeah, we don't have our seats assigned, or they don't even have a flight number yet.
Yeah, no, it's really good.
So we're hoping that goes really well. Should be interesting.
Yeah, we can check back in when we get to LaGuardia.
Why, hello from LaGuardia.
We had a 40-minute flight. It was
And now another
very
2-hour
short.
layover.
Yep. And then we're gonna be in Miami.
It's a
Finally.
USB port.
Oh. We're gonna be in Miami after this, so it'll be really good.
Thank God, I'm ready to be there.
Yeah, me too. I don't like the travel days.
Traveling sucks.
Yep. So we will check back in when we're arriving in Miami. Or maybe when we get to the hotel. I haven't decided yet. Depends on how chaotic it is. Okay, tell them what you're doing.
So there is a spin to win thing here. It's called the Beach Splash. It's play for free, win prizes. So far I have 182 tickets and 1,580 coins. But guess how much it is for like a soda? A soda is 4,000 tickets. So I could be here for a while just to get a soda. I feel like this is a lot more expensive than to just buy a soda. But this was $4. So it's about $1,000. 1,000 tickets per dollar. So yeah, we're not doing so well.
Really good.
We made it.
Hello. We are in Miami and we just got to the hotel from the airport and it was super duper easy. We had a nice little shuttle and we're getting a shuttle tomorrow for the cruise. But I wanted to show you guys the room because I gotta tell a funny story about this hotel. So the last time Brandon and I were in Florida, we were in Miami and we went on a cruise and we stayed at this hotel after our cruise and then flew home. So it's like we're doing it in reverse.
Yep.
And we really liked this hotel the first time, so we decided to stay here again.
Easy to get to.
Yep.
Nice place.
And I got a discount on the flight/hotel price. It was like a bundle. So it worked out really nicely. So we'll give you a little tour of the room. Is it humid? It feels humid in here.
You just think it's humid all the time.
It's very
in Florida, it's humid.
It's very humid. Okay, so I'm gonna show the room.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the room, which last time it was, I think, a little bigger than this. It was definitely bigger than this, and it was styled a little bit differently, but this was kind of a discount, so we might have gotten it because I got it as a bundle, but we have a nice chair in the corner, which reminds me of my work, because all our furniture is that color at work. Some lamps, we've got a nice TV, there's me, there's Brandon, we've got a nice desk, full-length mirror. And then this is my favorite part of this hotel. We have a big, massive shower, which is awesome. And I really, really like this bathroom. So we've got all the towels, hair dryer, super cute. And it's just for tonight, and then tomorrow we're getting on the cruise. So, are you ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
So we're gonna go downstairs to the little like bar and grill that they have down there. Oh, lights. And we're going to get some dinner and then come back here and go to sleep because it has been a very long travel day and I am very tired.
Yeah, me too.
So, okay. We'll see you in a bit. What are we having?
So we got some cheesy bacon fries for Kaylee because that's what she thinks is a dinner.
Yeah.
And I have some buffalo wings to go with it. I'm gonna have some of her cheesy bacon fries as a side though. And of course, a beer.
Starting early.
Yeah, well, we're on vacation.
Well, I didn't feel like drinking.
I will drink for us.
Okay. This is the little restaurant that's kind of in our hotel. It's like a
right
tavern.
in front of the hotel.
Yeah, and we can just get into it from the hotel. So that's really cool. And this looks super good. So I'm going to go now and eat this.
Yeah, that's going to be really good.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of the vlog today. So we are down in Miami. We are ready to go. And tomorrow morning we are going to get on the cruise shuttle at 9?
Yeah, we have to be downstairs by 8:50 to meet our bus to the cruise port for 9 o'clock.
And
so that we can get there for like 9:30, hopefully board as soon as possible so that we can get on the ship.
Yeah, we want to board early so that we can spend all day at the pool / exploring the ship before it leaves. Because it is a short cruise, so we only have so much time to like do everything.
As much as we can.
So we are going to go to bed now because we're both really, really tired.
Yep.
So we will see you guys all in the next vlog. And it'll be day 1 of the cruise. Bye!